Now this little diagram right here shows this same principle of working from the front of the pen. You can see two little arrows there. It says movement pattern to empty a pen. And notice that as you go in the opposite direction of desired movement, I'm closer to the cattle. And when you go back in the other direction, I'm going just outside the flight zone. It's sort of just, you know, you move up a little bit, you can move back a little bit. And in a small pen, you can just make them flow out really nicely in a controlled speed. You can just, you know, work that point of balance. And it's the kind of thing that you're going to have to work on a bit to get it to work. We've got to get away from just getting in the back of the pen and just going, screaming and yelling at them. And then the other little arrow there for sorting out a gate, lots of times you can get an animal to stop just by walking straight into it. And you can also use eye contact, you know, sometimes to move an animal. You can kind of give it a predatory stare, and it will move away just to get away from you. This shows two guys using this technique to just bring some cattle out of a pen very slowly and nicely. See how they're walking out single file? That's the way they should look. You know, the number one thing you got to do is get people to slow down. If I can get rid of the yelling and screaming and all the hot shots and all that carrying on, you're halfway there in terms of reducing stress.